I don't think I'm worth that much, but this crab, that's 230. I'm in Sydney Fish Market, and this place almost cost $1 billion to renovate. Let's see what all this fuss is about. This is the biggest fish market in the whole southern hemisphere, right beside the ocean. So things seem quite fresh, they smell fresh, and they're big. This is bluefin tuna. It's massive. I'm warming up with some sashimi here. All right, let's get this sashimi out. Look at that. Let's forget about the soy sauce and the wasabi. I would have preferred the wasabi was actually inside the rice. That's how it was done in Tokyo. Let's start with the basic salmon first. These are all hand pressed. They're not falling apart, so I think it's still okay. I believe this is smoked salmon. Very nice, cold, fresh. No fishiness in the taste, so it really feels that pure protein in your mouth. Nice, that was nice. I have a small piece of, I think this is lobster. Oh, that was so nice. That was so good. That was one good piece. How about the tuna? Look, the quality is really, really good. It's very fresh. It's, again, it's not giving that fishiness taste in it. It's pure protein. I actually forgot what fish this was. Maybe you can tell me. But I like all the caviar on top. They're all fantastic. They're all really, really good. This is a big nigiri piece. So it got the rice just down there. It got all the caviar on top. It's wrapped salmon. And you have a piece of, I think it's again lobster on top. Can we all get it in one piece? This is big. I think they have some house special sauce, as they told me in this piece. So it was really, really good. Finally, finishing with salmon and cream cheese on top. Western style. That cream cheese is giving some kind of saltiness also. Overall, it was nice. Getting some of the caviars too. That was a good warm-up. Let's go and find another place. There are so many fish here I haven't even seen before. See the blue swimmer crab. They look like the kitchen tile color for me. This is where all the live crabs have their jacuzzi. The pumps and everything. And they're happy inside. They have a high price tag too, so they can live a bit longer inside there. These are Pacific oyster jumbos. They're huge, they're massive. I've seen big oyster pieces, but boy, these are really, really huge. Just look at the size. Just see the size of a small one versus this. All right, so they're giving us a lemon slice. The piece is huge. Have tried in London, in Barcelona, and always these oysters, they never disappoint. In Sydney, you have to pay for the Tabasco and for all those toppings. In many other places, in London, in Barcelona, they were always available there for anyone to use. All right, let's open this up. So this is the lemon piece. Wow, this is big. Let's just get the lemon first. It's big. It's huge, huge piece. Wow. Nothing like I ever tasted before. Big piece of meat, really. It's pure protein. It doesn't have that fishiness taste also. So this was really good. The Pacific ones, they're quite different than any other oyster you've tasted before, believe me. This is so worth it. Fish market, oyster, done. Next. These are $230 a kilo. I haven't tasted live crab. I don't know if it's worth that much. I'm sure it's not for one person, but boy, $230 a kilo. These are the ones. I don't think I'm worth that much, but this crab, that's $230. All right, so it's getting quite packed, and my final food will be, of course, I can't skip octopus. It's one of my favorite seafood, and this one is barbecue grilled. It's quite nice. I can feel some oregano even on top. It's nice, good, small grilled octopus, and the seasoning and everything is really, really nice on top. These are nice, really good snacks. And this one is Scallops Mornay. I'll get the Mornay, please. Also got this with the real piece inside. Okay. I think it was better with some lemon drizzle. That's nice and simple one for those who are not really big seafood fans. I would go back still to my octopus and finish these. So this was Sydney Fish Market. Really good food, fresh, and I think the quality overall is quite nice. It's really a must visit because it doesn't feel like a classic fish market. For me, it's a museum, and it's really worth visiting and getting some real nice seafood inside here. Until our next episode, yalla bye.